how to generate a QR code in Google Pay. I'm going to show you how you can easily generate a QR code in Google Pay. Start by opening the Google Pay for Business app on your device. Then tap on QR code to display your QR code, which will include your bank account number and your bank's IFSC. Instruct your customers to scan the QR code. You can also choose to share or print the QR code. Once your business is approved for Google Pay for Business, a Google Pay agent will print your personalized QR code and deliver a standee to your address. Additionally, you can download your QR code from your mobile device and print extra copies for transactions. To print your own QR code, open the Google Pay for Business app, tap on QR code, and then tap Download and Share at the bottom. You can either download an image of your QR code or share it with the app of your choice. After downloading or sharing the image, you can print it and place it in your store for customer transactions.